Today we're gonna take the Corolla on some trails. This thing's fun. I like to look at it as like a little rally car, even though it's just a street car. It's all-wheel drive. I just put some new wheels and tires on the car, so it kind of looks more rally. So what I find the most interesting about this car is like drifting it on pavement and then now coming out here. What I learned from drifting at the track is literally coming into play here, but it just feels amazing. One thing I love about my Corolla is like, at the end of the day, it is still a Corolla. So the fact that I'm able to come out here, I don't want to speak too soon. Like if this car breaks one day, I totally accept it because I'm absolutely beating on it. I'm destroying it. So the fact that it's able to take it for this long, I mean, I'm at like 12,000 miles and I've been not easy on the car. I drive this car here, I beat on it, and then I take it back home. It just feels amazing. Check this out. That was a little rough, but like it's so controllable. And that's one of the things I love about it. So I guess to answer the question, can you rally a GR Corolla? I would say you can, 100%. This is stock form on all seasons. Imagine if we did real rally tires, actual rally suspension, lifted it, did all the other bits we need to make this thing a good rally car. How awesome would it feel? This thing feels awesome. Clutch kicking third. It's probably so bad for it, but like, oh well.
That was so good.
That was so good. Oopsie. That felt good.
That one was good.
I absolutely love this car. Like, it's crazy how grippy it is on a racetrack, but then I come out here and if the road's even dry, like damp or wet is amazing, but even dry, the fact that I can clutch kick second, this car takes it all day long. You literally can't go wrong with this car. I don't want to speak too soon, but like, look, I'm at 12,000 miles and those are hard 12,000 miles. Like, I have not babied this car. Like, I don't want to like say I'm the first one to drive this car hard, but I feel like a lot of GR Corolla videos that I've seen are just like grip driving. I haven't really seen any drifting. So I'm kind of like experimenting, like what works, what doesn't.
You don't even know how to do a donut in that thing yet.
And this one? Oh, him? Oh,
Bro, you've been drifting this bitch.
yeah, bro, I love this car. Hey, you think I'm faster in the Corolla?
Yeah, you got it.
I am actually so shocked with the Corolla. I feel like every time I come out here, I kind of get better at it and I'm able to further develop my skills with the car because drifting all-wheel drive is not something that I'm used to. It is a completely different feeling than drifting rear-wheel drive. Clutch kicking second is the trick I found in this car because my e-brake, fortunately it doesn't really work anymore because I've just burned it away from enough e-brake turns. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please do make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.